Hello, Dr. Sheila Kilbane here, and I just have a quick tip for today about upper frenulums in babies who are breastfeeding. So I had a patient that I saw yesterday who I hadn't seen for a while, and he's now a little bit older. But when I saw him when he was younger, was a really fussy baby, had a lot of trouble feeding, had some reflux and trouble gaining weight very slowly. And what we had noted on his physical exam is that he had a pretty tight frenulum, just upper frenulum. And we ended up sending him to be looked at by a dentist here in Charlotte who lasered that frenulum. And mom told me at this follow-up visit yesterday that his feeding, everything improved significantly after that was done. So what happened is that he was then able to more effectively and efficiently transfer milk from the breast, and that made all the difference in the world. So I just want to let you know that, because this is something that I learned from a mother probably 4 or 5 years ago at my old practice, and she may be watching this, so I always thank her for teaching me about that, because this was never something that I was clued into before. So if you have a young baby who's having issues feeding and you've done a lot of different things, just lift up their lip and see if they have a real thick frenulum that connects. Often it connects between the teeth and there's a little space in the teeth. Some babies who have that can feed fine. That is not always the problem, but you want to always make sure that their upper frenulum, and then also sometimes their lower frenulum that connects their tongue to the bottom of their mouth. Sometimes that can be tight, and you can tell that if they can't stick their tongue outside of their mouth. Okay, so quick recap: babies who are having issues feeding, always look at if they're tongue-tied or if their upper frenulum is very thick. Okay, thanks so much. If you enjoyed this tip, or if you have had any experience with that, I would love to hear about it below this video, and leave a comment. And if you are interested in more tips like this, hop on over to my website. You can sign up for our newsletter and for tips, and it's SheilaKilbane.com. Thanks so much.